In this video, we'll demonstrate F5 Access Policy Manager's integration with Okta. We have two policies here. The primary use case is providing the user authentication through Okta, and then Okta providing F5 Access Policy Manager a SAML assertion so that F5 can perform legacy SSO using either Kerberos constrained delegation or header authentication. So we have two app examples here. If we look at the visual policy editor for the first one, we're consuming the SAML authentication, and then we're storing our SSL credentials and doing a variable assign so we know who the user is. You'll notice that the third app is very similar. Now, one of the things that's different here is that for the header authentication, we're actually using a per request policy. So if we look here, the user's coming in, and on every request, we're going to remove the Okta header name. That's arbitrary. It doesn't have to be that value. It can be anything that you like. But I want to make sure that no one's able to pad that header into a request. So we're going to remove it, and then I will insert the variables that I receive from Okta. This way the application can consume it, and they know who that user is. So what does this look like? We're going to log into Okta. And in the window, I see two applications. So we'll test the header authentication first. I am logged into app 1. We used header authentication. Now, tuser at f5demo.com was the user I logged into with Okta. And we see that the application has been single signed into using that credential. The next application we'll test is Kerberos. And there again, I've been SSO'd into this application. Now the user looks a little different because we're using Kerberos constrained delegation. So we've obtained a Kerberos ticket from the domain controller for F5 demo as the user to user. So the user can look a little different. It's mainly about formatting, but the point here is to prove we were able to consume that SAML assertion from Okta and then use SSO capabilities via header or Kerberos constrained delegation for legacy apps. Thank you for watching this demo, and for more information, please check out f5.com and okta.com.